Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into the world of real estate investing, a road to financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just stepping into the realm of real estate, this guide will navigate you through the strategies and insights to build wealth through property investment. Number 1. Understanding real estate investing. To begin our exploration, let's delve into the fundamental principles of real estate investing. It's more than a mere transaction. It's about making strategic decisions and implementing astute financial planning that can lay the foundation for your financial freedom. Real estate encompasses various investment avenues, each with its own set of opportunities and challenges. Take rental properties, for instance. They provide a steady stream of passive income, allowing you to build wealth over time. The key is finding properties in high-demand areas, understanding the rental market, and optimizing your investment for long-term returns. On the flip side, there's house flipping, an exciting but intricate strategy. It involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling at a profit. However, it's crucial to understand the local market trends, renovation costs, and the art of timing to maximize your returns. Whether you're drawn to the stability of long-term rentals or the thrill of flipping properties, education is paramount. Attend workshops, read books, and learn from seasoned investors. This knowledge will be your compass in navigating the diverse landscape of real estate investment. Diversification is another key aspect. Your portfolio shouldn't be limited to one type of property. Explore residential, commercial, and maybe even venture into real estate crowdfunding. Diversifying hedges your bets and ensures your investments are resilient to market fluctuations. Understanding the fundamentals is the bedrock of successful real estate investing. It's not just about the properties. It's about understanding the market, recognizing trends, and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. So, whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, mastering the fundamentals is the first step on the road to financial freedom through real estate. Number 2. Benefits and risks of real estate investment. Let's explore the myriad benefits and potential pitfalls associated with this dynamic venture. Investing in real estate provides a range of benefits that extend far beyond the initial property acquisition. One of the most significant advantages is the potential for long-term appreciation. Unlike other assets, real estate tends to appreciate over time, building equity and creating a substantial return on investment. Moreover, real estate investments offer enticing tax advantages. From deductions on mortgage interest and property taxes to depreciation benefits, the tax code provides various incentives that can significantly impact your overall financial picture. For those looking for a consistent income stream, real estate can deliver through rental properties. The rental market, when navigated wisely, can generate a reliable cash flow, providing financial stability and serving as a powerful wealth-building tool. However, it's essential to tread carefully and be aware of the inherent risks. Market fluctuations can impact property values, and economic downturns may pose challenges. Effective property management is key to overcoming these hurdles. While the rewards can be significant, it's crucial to acknowledge the risks involved. Market dynamics can change, and unforeseen circumstances may arise. That's why staying informed and adapting to market conditions is essential for sustained success. Number 3. Strategies for successful real estate investing. As we embark on the strategies that can lead to success, it's essential to recognize that informed decisions are the pillars of a thriving real estate portfolio. Our first strategy involves meticulous market research. Understanding the trends, demands, and potential growth in a specific market is fundamental. Whether it's a bustling city or a suburban neighborhood, knowing your market sets the stage for strategic decision-making. Analyzing neighborhoods is the next crucial step. What amenities are nearby? What's the crime rate? These factors not only impact property values but also influence the type of tenants or buyers you attract. Investing in a neighborhood with growth potential can lead to long-term appreciation. Equally important is understanding local regulations. Zoning laws, property taxes, and other regulations can significantly impact your investment. Staying compliant not only safeguards your investment but also contributes to the overall stability of the real estate market. Moving on to due diligence, this is the backbone of successful real estate transactions. Before purchasing any property, conduct thorough inspections. Identify potential issues, estimate repair costs, and understand the property's history. This diligence can save you from unexpected expenses and ensure you're making sound investment choices. I've found that success in real estate often comes down to the groundwork. It's not just about the property. It's about the entire environment, the market, the neighborhood, and the regulatory landscape. Number 4. Financing and building wealth. Let's explore the critical aspects of financing and building wealth through real estate investments. Financing is a crucial element in real estate investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, exploring various financing options is key to optimizing your resources. One of the most common financing methods is through mortgages. Obtaining a mortgage allows you to leverage your capital, enabling you to acquire properties that might be beyond your immediate financial reach. Low interest rates and favorable loan terms can significantly enhance your returns. Private funding is another avenue worth exploring. This could involve loans from private individuals or even crowdfunding platforms. While this may come with higher interest rates, it can provide flexibility and speed, especially in competitive real estate markets. Consider partnerships as well. Pooling resources with other investors can open doors to larger and more lucrative opportunities. Just ensure that partnerships are built on trust, aligned goals, and a clear understanding of each party's role and expectations. Now, let's shift our focus to building a real estate portfolio. Diversification is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful strategy. Owning a mix of property types, such as residential, commercial, and perhaps vacation rentals, can provide stability and balance against market fluctuations. Leverage, when used wisely, can amplify your returns. However, it's a double-edged sword. Over-leveraging can lead to financial strain, especially in downturns. Understanding your risk tolerance and having a well-thought-out financial plan is crucial in using leverage effectively. Building wealth in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Diversification and leveraging have been instrumental in my success. It's not just about buying properties. It's about strategically building a portfolio that withstands market dynamics. Number 5. The road to financial freedom. It's essential to recognize that this journey is more than just acquiring properties. It's a strategic pathway toward achieving financial freedom. Throughout this guide, we've uncovered the fundamentals, benefits, risks, and strategies that form the bedrock of successful real estate investing. Now, let's distill these insights into a clear roadmap that can lead you to the financial independence you desire. First, understanding your market is paramount. Conduct thorough research, analyze neighborhoods, and stay informed about local regulations. This knowledge will empower you to make well-informed decisions, setting the stage for your success. Never underestimate the power of due diligence. Inspections, financial assessments, and understanding the history of a property can be the difference between a sound investment and a costly mistake. It's the safeguard that ensures your journey is built on a solid foundation. When it comes to financing, explore your options wisely. Mortgages, private funding, and strategic partnerships are tools at your disposal. Leverage them to maximize your resources and open doors to diverse real estate opportunities. Building a robust portfolio is akin to crafting a masterpiece. Diversify wisely. Residential, commercial, and vacation properties can provide stability and balance. Remember, it's not just about owning properties. It's about strategically building a portfolio that stands the test of time. In conclusion, real estate investing is a dynamic journey, one that requires knowledge, resilience, and a commitment to continuous learning. By understanding the nuances, mitigating risks, and making informed decisions, real estate can indeed be the road to financial independence and wealth. Whether you're starting small or aiming for substantial growth, may your journey in real estate be fulfilling and prosperous. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Wishing you all the success on your road to financial freedom through real estate. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of real estate investing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy investing.